Music cannot be equated with any profession because it is a passion. Some people are gifted with this talent from birth, while some others become a musician by choice. In any case, one can acquire perfection in music only through hard work, practice, and performance. Music is essentially an expression and articulation of inner thoughts and emotion through sound. But making a career out of this talent demands regular devoted practice. Joining an institution and getting trained is one of the first steps towards making a career in music. But the main emphasis should be real dedication and commitment. A person considering a career in music should have a genuine love for music, a musical sense, which means a sense of time and rhythm. Besides versatility, creative ability, and also stage confidence. However, to take up a course in this subject, the basic requirement is 10 plus 2. Courses offered in this area are usually certificate courses, bachelor courses, diploma courses, and postgraduate level courses. Duration of various courses: certificate course is of 1 year, bachelor courses is of 3 years, diploma and postgraduate level courses are of 2 years. To build a career in music, you also need to have sound knowledge in the field. For instance, there are various job options that revolve around recording or sound engineering. For that, you need to be a qualified person who, besides having sound technical knowledge regarding the recording technicalities, also is strong in the theoretical as well as practical aspects of music. Today, with music getting into the league of big business, there are a list of careers one can choose from in the music industry. Besides becoming a performer, vocal or instrumental, or a teacher, one can be composer or songwriter, music publisher, music journalist, disc jockeys or video jockeys, music therapist, artist manager or PR, and so on in the music industry. Not only is the work profile of a technical professional in the music industry interesting, it is financially rewarding as well. While music teachers charge 30,000 per month, sound editors can earn around 10,000 to 50,000. Professional music composers can quote around 10,000 to 20,000 per song. And professional rock bands charge up to 10,000 per performance, and so on in this music industry. While the music industry might seem competitive to you, if you are looking at getting into the performance side of the business, you have several free platforms to get started, or we can say several free chances to start with your own music. Upload your music on YouTube, SoundCloud, and other channels. Promote your content on social media. Participate in gigs in and around the city. It might take up a lot of time and effort, but if your work is good, you are bound to get noticed. After the completion of the course in music, a student can get a job in the music industry, films, production houses, TV channels, and advertisement companies. One can also work as a music teacher in colleges and universities. The enterprising student can also open their own music learning centers. The Bollywood and TV serials, especially, have opened a new era of opportunities for musicians. They can easily get work in these places.